Hey, what's up everybody? In this video we're gonna be trading using FXALEXG strategy, set and forget. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to this YouTube channel, and the purpose of this YouTube channel is for everybody to understand forex trading, especially if you're just a beginner trader. So you're just gonna start like analyzing other people's strategies, see which one is most suitable for forex beginner traders, and probably just to see if this strategy is for you. There's a lot of gurus in this industry, and I believe that every single one of them has their unique trading style, and we're gonna go all over everybody's trading style and see which one suits you best as a forex beginner trader. All right, this video is going to be like suitable for only forex beginner traders that do not understand just yet all of the strategies that we're gonna be breaking down. So we're gonna start by one of the best forex traders in the industry and one of the most profitable and with a huge personal brand, FXALEXG. We're gonna be doing his set and forget strategy. The set and forget strategy, it's basically swing trading within higher time frames. All right, so he's basically analyzing patterns such as the head and shoulder and inverted head and shoulder. So I just saw one opportunity where I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to actually execute a strategy, and I'm actually going to deposit $50,000 into my trading account, and we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna do it right in front of you guys so you guys can see if these strategies are actually possible. So this year 2026 I decided to go all in on trading, so that's why I got this. We're gonna be depositing $50,000. so let's get into the video. All right, so let's go. As I mentioned to you guys, this is a channel for forex beginner traders, specifically people that are barely starting into the market. All right, so I'm gonna break it down as clear as possible. We're gonna be utilizing the Euro USD in forex, which is basically we're trading the euro against the dollar. I hope that kind of makes sense for most of you guys. So as of right now, so I got my money right here in my liquid brokers account. This is basically just a broker. All right, I'm not going to come on here and recommend every single broker. I'm just going to be using the one I've been trusting. I've been using liquid brokers for 2 years already. It used to be called Sway Markets before. I don't know why they changed their name, but it is what it is. I never had an issue withdrawing or depositing funds, so which is why I trust this broker. All right, they're not paying me for this. It's just being transparent and to let you guys know what I use. All right, so we're gonna go over the strategy that the trader we're gonna be placing on Euro USD. So if you guys want to make some money, watch out for this strategy. All right, so we're gonna analyze our areas of interest or important points in the market. Alex calls them areas of interest. So we have them all here already. We already have it marked. Is basically support and resistance, and where price has actually been respected a lot from. All right, so this is basically the whole strategy breakdown. All right, so now we're gonna look for Alex calls it like a pattern in the market, and I think that is just one of the, yeah, it's a pattern that we're gonna have to be on the lookout for and actually execute on it. All right, so he usually trades the head and shoulder, which is basically, I'm gonna go grab this. It's basically this movement in the market. He calls it the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and this is where he takes the trade to the downside. All right, and inverted head and shoulders, he basically uses this one. This is the inverted head and shoulder. We have the left shoulder with the head and the right shoulder, and then this is basically for buys. That's basically the pattern of inverted head and shoulder. So in this specific example, we kind of have something similar to that. All right, we have impulsion to the upside. We have a little bit of a confluence right here, and it's kind of forming basically left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and we're gonna be taking sales. Alex will take the sales right around here, but we're gonna go a little bit earlier and take them right underneath this previous confluence on these candles to the downside. All right, so I hope that kind of makes sense, and I'm gonna explain it to you guys better using TradingView's tools. All right, so let's go ahead into the video. One of the reasons why he calls Alex areas of interest is because the market actually has been through those points already. We have this point, which is basically support. Some people call it supply, some people call it support, some people call it areas of interest. What everybody has a name for them. Is just a repetitive I don't know, I guess, point where the market has actually been respected from, and we have them all listed here. And this is why we have these areas of interest here, because this is where the actual price is supporting. We have it here too, and we have it here too. This is basically the best way to identify your areas of interest or support, supply, demand, resistance. Everybody has a name for it. We're not gonna go over that. So we're gonna go into the TradingView tools, and we're actually going to analyze this chart. We are on the 4-hour time frames. Alex usually uses the 4-hour and the 1-hour time frame, all right, and takes his entries in the 30 minutes or 15-minute time frames. All right, so we're gonna go in deep into this. I'm not gonna go into the 1-hour time frame because it's kind of similar to the 4-hour, to be honest. If you guys can see, it's kind of the same but with more candles, so I just like to stay in the 4-hour time frame. So we're gonna be analyzing where this head and shoulder pattern is forming. All right, so we're basically gonna go here, and as I already showed you guys, we have left shoulder, the head, and then we are forming a right shoulder. Not all of the patterns are going to be specifically clean, but this is the pattern that is currently now forming. Now I'm expecting price to come back to the downside up to this previous area of interest, or possibly this one. So basically that's going to be where I will be taking my trade. I would expect price to go from this point, break below, and actually come to this area. I'm gonna put this in black so you guys can see it. I'm basically expecting price to come down to this area, but I'm actually gonna aim for a bigger risk to reward. So I'm actually expecting price to come back to this area and possibly come to this specific point, which is 1.16817 area of interest. So that's going to be our take profit, and in case price reverses, we're gonna be putting our stop loss if right above here, right above this point, because that only means that the market is actually going to just continue to push up. So we're gonna put it like right around here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my short position, and then I will be taking a trade. I'm actually gonna take the trade with you guys live. This is gonna be like a higher risk trade, but if price actually comes below this point, you guys can go ahead and take it. By the time this video is uploaded, I'm gonna do my best to upload it right now, but for the sake of this YouTube video, I'm going to be taking the position right now so you guys can watch with me. All right, so, and probably 2 days from now I'm gonna make another video, and then I'm going to update you guys on what's actually going on, how's the trade going, and what I recommend. If we should close, we should hold stuff, or if we hit take profit, perfect. You guys are going to be witness of that, and you guys are going to see if this strategy of AlexG actually works. And just for the sake of this video, I'm not trying to talk down on Alex. I think he's one of the best traders, one of the biggest influencers in the world, and I respect him, but we're just going to be using everybody's strategies. I've also been into day trading institution, which is Lambo Raul. We're gonna go over that as well. I've been in AB Trades Academy as well. We're gonna go over that as well. We're gonna go analyze all of the biggest influencers in the trading space, and we're gonna check out their strategies and see which one is more beneficial for forex beginner traders, because there are strategies for forex beginner traders and there are strategies for forex advanced traders, you could call it. So we're gonna see which one suits you best, guys. So let's get into this video. So we're gonna aim for a 1, 2, 3 risk to reward. I'm gonna have my stop loss right above here, and then I'm gonna have a 1 to 3.2 risk to reward ratio, which is going to be this trade. So I would be taking the trade right in front of you guys. So let's go into my sway markets or liquid broker account. I'm gonna look for Euro USD, which is this one. I'm already there. So I have around $53,000 with $53,200 in my account. The market is already looking kind of bearish, so we're gonna go ahead and place our sale. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and move this around a little bit. So I'm gonna go for, I'm gonna do 5 lots to the downside. I'm going to do 10 lots. All right, so we are going to wait. I'm not trying to risk a lot on this trade. I'm just like trying to keep it simple just for the sake of this video. So let's see what actually happens, guys. All right, we are risking 10 lots on, remember, we are not trading US 30 like indices or S&P 500 or NASDAQ. We're not trading futures, of course. We're trading forex. Is different, so we are only going to be risking 10 lots, which is it would have been so much higher on US 30. This is not a lot, so don't get it twisted, guys. It's not that much on forex. So we're gonna see and we're gonna wait. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on the second part of this YouTube video. So I want you guys to actually take this entry. If the people want to take it, go ahead and take it. That's the reason why I'm not gonna have this video done with the results. I'm going to be uploading a second part, so wait for the second part or the update of this trade on FXALEXG strategy. So yeah, if you guys like this video, if you guys like these breakdowns, if you guys want to continue watching this series of all of the influencers strategies, comment down below if you guys who is the next one you want me to do a strategy with. If I have to join his group, I'll do it, but I want to hear from you guys and tell me what you guys think. So this is going to be it for today's video. I'm gonna upload it right now so most people can see it, or the people that can actually see it can go ahead and take this strategy. We are already up $45 on this trade, so I don't want you guys to miss out on this trade. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a screenshot of this. I'm just gonna leave it like that, and we are going to let this trade run. Okay, see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys. Take care.